Discover the amazing benefits of Epsom salt. Natural relief for body and mind. Epsom salt is much more than just a common bath additive. It's a natural mineral powerhouse that has been treasured for centuries for its remarkable healing properties. Known scientifically as magnesium sulfate, this humble compound plays a vital role in supporting muscle recovery, calming the mind, improving skin health, and soothing everyday aches. Whether it's easing sore muscles, helping with stress, or promoting better sleep, Epsom salt offers a gentle and accessible way to boost overall wellness. Let's explore the many benefits of incorporating Epsom salt into your self-care routine and see how it can support both body and mind. The magic of Epsom salt baths. When you soak in an Epsom salt bath, the magic begins with magnesium, a mineral essential to over 300 bodily functions. One of the most appreciated benefits is how it helps muscles recover and reduces soreness. After physical activity or a long day, the magnesium and sulfate work together to ease inflammation and promote muscle relaxation, giving your body a much-needed chance to heal and rejuvenate. This soothing effect is why athletes and everyday wellness enthusiasts alike turn to Epsom salt for relief from tightness and discomfort. Rejuvenate tired feet with a soothing foot soak. For those who spend a day on their feet, a foot soak with Epsom salt can be truly transformative. It reduces swelling, alleviates pain from conditions like arthritis or ingrown toenails, and even calms irritation from common issues like athlete's foot. The salt's gentle exfoliating action removes dead skin cells, which leaves feet feeling softer and healthier. It's a simple ritual that can bring lasting comfort to tired, overworked feet. Many people find that Epsom salt soaks help reduce foot odor by absorbing excess moisture and creating a less hospitable environment for odor-causing bacteria. This simple benefit adds to the overall confidence and comfort that regular care with Epsom salt can bring to daily life. Tackling chronic inflammation naturally. Beyond muscle and foot care, Epsom salt is widely praised for helping reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health conditions, but regular baths may help calm the body's inflammatory responses. This soothing effect makes it an inviting choice for those experiencing arthritis, joint pain, or general stiffness, as it supports greater ease of movement and less discomfort. For individuals coping with chronic pain disorders such as fibromyalgia, Epsom salt baths provide a gentle, natural way to ease widespread pain and fatigue. Although research is ongoing, many report improved comfort and relaxation from regular soaks, which can be an important part of a holistic pain management approach. Enhancing skin health and healing. Epsom salt is also known for its ability to gently exfoliate and improve skin health. Its natural grainy texture removes dead skin layers, revealing fresh, glowing skin beneath. The magnesium content supports skin hydration and can reduce redness and irritation linked to conditions such as eczema and psoriasis, making it a beneficial addition to natural skincare routines. Minor wounds also benefit from the healing effects of Epsom salt soaks. Its ability to reduce inflammation and cleanse the skin helps support recovery from cuts, insect bites, and minor infections, creating a cleaner environment for healing. Supporting anxiety relief and relaxation. On a mental and emotional level, one of the standout benefits of Epsom salt lies in its ability to promote stress relief and better sleep. Magnesium plays a key role in stabilizing mood by supporting neurotransmitters that regulate anxiety and encourage relaxation. Many people find that a warm Epsom salt bath is the perfect way to unwind after a hectic day, helping them drift into a deeper, more restful sleep. A note on constipation relief. For those dealing with occasional constipation, oral use of Epsom salt as a laxative is an effective option under medical guidance. It draws water into the colon to soften stools and promote easier bowel movements. While this use requires caution and professional advice, it showcases Epsom salt's versatile role in digestive health beyond topical applications. Epsom salt is truly a versatile and affordable natural remedy that offers relief and support in so many ways, from soothing sore muscles and easing inflammation to calming the mind and improving skin health. It's a simple addition to your wellness routine that can make a real difference in how you feel every day. If this video helped shed light on why Epsom salt deserves a spot in your self-care arsenal, please give it a like. Subscribe for more natural health tips and wellness insights, and share it with someone who might benefit too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.